Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a Oreo candy cane cheesecake bar, or bars once you chop it up. But let's get into this recipe. It was just so delicious, y'all. So of course you're gonna need candy canes. I'm using golden Oreos. Use your favorite Oreos. Someone's gonna get me for that strawberry sauce, but listen, this recipe is meant to be easy, so it is what it is. Y'all, I broke my food processor, so I have to do this the old school way. I'm going to add my candy canes and my cookies in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to beat it to death. I think I earned a subscription for me beating this to death the old school way. So make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Next, you want to put it all in a bowl. You're going to add some butter, mix this up. You want to get like sand-like consistency. And then we're going to put it in a pan, and you guys are going to see how amazing it looks. Yes, I left it chunky because I wanted my peppermint, my candy canes to stand out, which you're going to see at the end of this video. So you want to put it in your pan, your favorite pan. I sprayed mine because I'm paranoid, y'all. Sometimes it don't even matter how much butter you put in a recipe, it still sticks. So then you want to start on the filling. So I'm going to beat my cream cheese to death, and basically it's self-explanatory. All ingredient measurements will be in my description box, and I'm just going to let you guys watch the video and see what I do next. Alright, this is what the crust looks like once I took it out of the oven. It smells amazing, and the candy actually started melting. Y'all, it's just ridiculous how good this smells. And of course, the batter is nice and smooth and silky. You want to pop this into a 325 oven for 40 minutes. Now we're going to move on to the sauce. The reason why I'm heating this up is because I want it to cook down even more. I don't like the huge pieces of strawberry, so I'm going to break it down quite a bit. Add some honey and some vanilla, mix it up, simmer it for about 5 minutes, break down those strawberries, and we're good to go. This is what the cheesecake looks like after I let it cool for about 20 minutes on my countertop. Then I'm going to add the strawberry mixture right on top. Make sure you cool your cheesecake like 20 to 30 minutes. Cool it down before you add this topping and the cookies. And just like this, I'm going to smear it all over. Then I'm just going to sprinkle on some cookies. I just broke it up with my hands. You could put big pieces, little pieces. And you want to pop this in the refrigerator and let it set up. This is what it looks like, y'all. It's so beautiful in real life. It's so beautiful. Look at the inside of this cheesecake, y'all. Well, cheesecake bar. Oh, man, I can't wait to get into this and try it for y'all. I hope you guys try this recipe because it was super, super, super duper easy. Hey guys, so I'm about to try this cheesecake. Y'all know I can't eat too much of this cheesecake, but I had to make it for my babies. Y'all love when I make dessert recipes, and I'm always extreme. So first of all, let me point out, look down here. Let me turn this up. Look down here. You can actually see the peppermint. Ooh, child, with my fork at? Oh, you can see the peppermint candy in the crust down at the bottom. First of all, I swear, I just be doing my own thing, y'all. Okay. Let me just try it and stop talking. Ooh, child, this thing is the devil. Give y'all the first bite. It's not funny. It's not funny. I'm sorry. Hold up. Your fave could never. It's delicious. The peppermint candy canes definitely come through. They're shining bright like a diamond in that crust. The cheesecake is silky and smooth. It's not overly sweet. I only added a half a cup of sugar, a little bit. It's not a little bit of sugar, but it's not a lot of sugar. Hope you guys give this recipe a try. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in my next video.